Hello, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A07. In this video I want to show you how to enable dark mode and schedule it on this device. So let's open Settings application on your device, and you want to find section Display. So at the top you will see two options, light and dark option. Let's tap dark to enable it system-wide. And now if you want to schedule the dark mode, you want to go to dark mode settings, and let's enable turn on as scheduled. Let's open it, let's enable this option, and you have to choose your preferred schedule. Sunset to sunrise, which will use your location to automatically switch based on the actual time the sun goes down in your area or in your location. And the second option, custom schedule, you can set your schedule right here. So enter start time and end time when you want to dark mode to apply. So that is basically it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.